Hello YouTube. I'm just doing this video because um because nobody has showcased this car in this game. I tried to look it up on YouTube and nobody has showcased this car. Nobody has showcased this car right here. Nobody for the PS3 has showcased this car. And we're gonna get into it and see what it sounds like. No, not that car, Nico. Grab cars much? Hold on, let me shut off my music real quick. I have to do that because if you want to hear the full effect of the horn. If you want to hear the full effect of horn instead of the music, just listen to this. This is what I think you should put in Grand Theft Auto 5. This horn, this sound of the horn of rusty vehicles that you find in Grand Theft Auto 5, but they don't have this horn in this game. Listen to this horn, and it's a rusty vehicle as you can see, but listen to this horn. That horn needs to be showcased in Grand Theft Auto 5. And also, Nico Bellic needs to be put back in Grand Theft Auto 5, for Christ's sakes. Come on. Look at that guy, he's freaking cool. And this car needs to be put in Grand Theft Auto 5. And this horn needs to be put in Grand Theft Auto 5. Look at that guy, he's just getting pissed off because I'm honking the horn. But this horn needs to be put in this game. This horn needs to be put in this game. This horn right here needs to be put in this game. This is a beautiful sounding horn. It fits for the rusty vehicles, but it needs to be put in Grand Theft Auto 5. It needs to go back in Grand Theft Auto 5 where it needs to be for the rusty vehicles only. Well, if you like that horn, leave a like, rate, and subscribe. Peace.